You will need sweet potatoes, olive oil, paprika, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and Pam. The first step into making our sweet potato fries is to preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Good. Today we will be making sweet potato fries. First what you have to do is start to peel them, but make sure you wash the potato first. So you'll just keep peeling until all your potatoes are peeled. Now that your potatoes are peeled, make sure to put them in a pot with all your other ones. Now we're going to make the house seasoning to make them taste delicious. Now for the house seasoning, you will take 4 teaspoons of salt. So we're just going to get 4 of them into one little bowl so you can mix it. 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, so now we're going to mix all the spices up together. So we're just going to mix this around with a spoon. Look how delicious that looks, if you could see it. Now we are going to cut the potato into thinly sliced strips. Now we have all of our potatoes cut into thinly sliced pieces. Next we're going to take half a teaspoon of paprika, and you're going to put it in with the sweet potato fries. Just pour it all over it. Next we're going to take the house seasoning that we mixed before and pour it in over our sweet potatoes. So now that we have that, we're going to take some olive oil and put over the sweet potatoes. Make sure you get it evenly dispersed throughout, just enough to coat it. You pour it over this. And now you're going to shake it so all the seasoning gets on the potatoes. Good. For the pan that we're going to be baking our sweet potato fries in, we are going to have to spray it with Pam. So you're just going to spray it in the pan, make sure all of it gets nice and greasy so the fries do not stick, and it will look like this. Now it's time to put the potatoes into the pan that you have just greased. So we're just going to put them in here, make sure they're all spread away from each other. Your potatoes are now ready to cook, so we're going to put them in the oven for 20 minutes and check them after that. That means our potato fries are done and ready to come out the oven. They've been here for 20 minutes, so now we're going to set them aside and let them cool for 10 minutes, right here. The sweet potato fries are now ready to eat. Delicious.